drove 1,000 miles just to get to you. The days are long and nights might break me, but I'll stand by you. It could take a million days, but I'll see it through. I climb the highest mountain, baby, just to be with you.
So we just arrived in KL and we have a lot of stuff. We are going to be heading over to our Airbnb, which is over in the Regalia Towers. And we are here for 6 nights. We got an infinity pool, we got a sweet place to ourselves. We are highly excited. So we just arrived, I think, at our place. It's very beautiful in here.
We did arrive at our place.
We did arrive at our place. And we have someone coming down to grab us to go up to our Airbnb. Thank you.
We made it! We almost missed our bus, but we made it to this super amazing place that we found on Airbnb. So today's our first day in Kuala Lumpur. We're just leaving our lovely place. A little late because it was thunder, lightning, and downpouring most of the morning.
We are entering the rain. We are entering the rain, my friends. The storm is coming. The storm is definitely coming right now. Storm warning, Alpha Roger. Everyone is scared except me. Look at this. It's not gonna rain. It's so wet, oh my God! Ah! Ah! Yeah.
Right now we're about to go check out Low Yacht Plaza due to the amazing weather outside and the fact that it's wetter than wet. This is the tech, gadget, electronic mall of Kuala Lumpur, which is his favorite. So we're gonna check it out. Oh, we found Andy's laptop of choice. Republic of Gamers.
This mall is insane. There's so much. everything, there is a really good way called the KL hop on and hop off tours. They'll take you all over KL, and they'll show you the very hottest spots, and it's pretty cheap. I think it's either 85 to 100 ringgit, which is for 2 people, which is actually really, really good.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Another really great location to check out if you're in KL is the KL Tower. This tower is a massive communication tower, and you actually can go to the very top. But when I say it's big, it's big. Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy. Right now, we are 394 meters above, and it is a straight down fall behind me, and I am on a glass thing chilling above.
So we just got to Pedaling Street, we think, in Chinatown. And
It's got a super hot spot to go in KL. It has a very vibrant daytime and an extremely vibrant nighttime as well. So whatever time you go during the day, you will find sick things here.
no, thank you.
You get hounded a lot. People will try to get you in their shop and give you the very best of deals. So they are not always the best of deals. You will notice very quickly. There are many, many shops that all have all of the same things, and there's different levels of the same thing, different levels of fakes as well. The best thing price. I see, my friend. I see, my friend. So this is a prime example. People will come up to you and they want to show you your stuff. They want to get you in their shop. A lot of the time, they'll basically pull you in and they'll keep trying to give you offers until you get until you basically buy it from them. A lot of the time, people are quite forceful and aggressive when they want. Exactly. That's a lot of the time. The people will just put the item in the bag, be like, okay, you take this, you take this. We end our trip in KL with one last dip in our infinity pool. Tomorrow, we head to the island of Penang. Next time on Bear Witness, we enter a place called Penang and a city called Georgetown. Known for its amazing street art and fantastic food, Penang is a place to visit. Wow.